Hey everybody, my name is Gary Harvin with TLH Plumbing out of Middle Tennessee. We're a residential and commercial contractor here, and today we're going to be testing out the FastHub coupling from Ideal. So we're just going to see how easy it is to install the new FastHub compared to what we're used to in the older products where you have to take it apart in multiple steps. So let's see how it goes. So after testing the new FastHub, we're super happy with it. It's going to be a huge labor saver out on jobs. The most time saving is going to be when you're putting two pipes together compared to the old way, having to roll it and then roll it back on. This is literally just super fast because you just get to push it together.